Delhi. So I thought अगर classes लेना ही है तो physical classes लेते हैं. So I went to Delhi and you all would have heard of Lakshmi Nagar, which is like the hub for CA students. I entered Lakshmi Nagar and I saw that lot of students eating unhygienic food, so much crowd, and I was having only 9 months to prepare for CA intern. And I come from an environment wherein I had always done self-study till 12th standard. So for me, shifting to Delhi would mean shift in culture, shift in lifestyle, and a lot of responsibility to take, because I would be taking care of myself, my study, and then coming to and from coachings. So to be very honest, I was scared and I thought I would come back home. So I remember, I think I went on like 18th or 19th of July to Delhi, and I came back on 21st, and I told my parents कि ये तो ना हो पाएगा, खुद से ही करता है. So I thought okay, self study करेंगे. बट जब सेल्फ स्टडी करना स्टार्ट किया, देन आई रियलाइज दैट हो तो जाएगा बट मे बी बहुत टाइम लगेगा एंड कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट समझ नहीं आ रहे थे. And then came into picture YouTube Baba, which is a very useful resource if you use it wisely. So I started watching videos on YouTube, and like there is a saying that if there is a will, there is a way. I found some of the really good videos for some of the chapters. I started watching them, and then there was a link in the description that you can buy these videos from here. And this is 2017 which I am talking about. उस टाइम पे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का इतना कोई कल्चर ही नहीं था. आई ऑर्डर्ड सम ऑफ द डेमो क्लासेस, आई परचेज देम, बट देयर वाज ऑलवेज सम डाउट वेदर आई एम डूइंग द राइट थिंग और नॉट. एंड इवन द रिलेटिव्स अराउंड मी, पीपल अराउंड मी वर सेइंग दैट सीए नहीं होता है ऑनलाइन से, यू हैव टू डू फिजिकल क्लासेस, you are not doing the right thing. But somewhere I was able to understand what the teacher was trying to say, and these teachers were not famous faculties you would have heard of, but I was able to understand what they were teaching and I pursued it. मई में एग्ज़ाम था एंड दिसंबर में आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि ग्रुप 1 देना चाहिए कि ग्रुप 2 देना चाहिए या फिर दोनों देने चाहिए, बिकॉज ग्रुप 2 के क्लासेस मुझे नहीं मिले थे. Then I prepared for group 2 from YouTube, and then I thought that there is nothing to lose. Anyways लोग बोल रहे थे that ऑनलाइन से नहीं हो पाएगा या फिर ख़राब जाएगा. I thought anyways अगर कुछ होना ही है तो दोनों ग्रुप में हो जाएगा. Let me just try my best. Let me just give both the groups. And I gave both of my groups. I remember that in April I was still studying some of the subjects. I was trying to remember some of the subjects. And then May में exams आए. I gave my exams and I was praying like 2 days before the exam कि बस attempt ना लगे, pass हो जाए. And when I saw the result, it was not just pass but also the All India rank 31. And that's where I realized one thing: you have to see beyond what you have seen to achieve what no one has seen. You have to trust yourself, you have to do it with confidence, because no one trusts you unless you do.
Thank you, Manu. Darpan, first of all, you said initially itself that you took certain attempts, 2-3 attempts maybe, to become a CA. So you did group wise or both groups, or every time attempted different way? Did you have any coaching for clearing your exams at different stages, or what? Kindly share your views, please.
Well, it was in CA final that took me attempts. I mean, before that I had never failed in life, and I had been a meritorious student throughout. So when I failed for the first time in CA final, I mean, it was like the momentary feeling, to be honest, was okay, I want to leave CA, because उसके पहले failure देखा नहीं था. So I was like, मैं fail हो कैसे सकता? I mean, it's like, और करना ही नहीं है ये course. So that was the first instantaneous feeling, to be very honest. So but okay, eventually I recovered from it, like within a day or two, and then started with my preparations again. So like as Pragya already, as Nandini already mentioned, I guess that for her one of the 4 key elements was motivation. I guess also, like along with motivation, for me it was demotivation as well, because sometimes demotivation and dissatisfaction leads you to something greater and something better. So when you get demotivated, and after that, when the motivation comes, I think that will mold you to something which you were not previously, which you have not been before. So when you get dissatisfied with yourself, when you get demotivated with yourself, the question is how soon can you motivate yourself, right? And self-motivation works because no other external motivation can last longer. But self-motivation that you can inject yourself with every day, that will propel you to greater heights. So I think that worked. As far as the coaching classes are concerned, okay, I never went in for the tuitions ever in my academic journey, barring